Dear children, cheerful greetings to all. Welcome back to the English session. Today we can start a new chapter, lesson 7. The name of the chapter is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Written by Carol Moore. Now let me say you something about Carol Moore. She is a female American writer. Her full name is Annie Carol Moore. What's her full name? Annie Carol Moore. She was born in Michigan. Where is she born? She was born in Michigan. She has written around 13 humorous stories. Humorous stories means comedy. Her stories are quite interesting and liked by readers of all ages. Now, let me say you something about the story. See children, the title is very interesting. Okay, you all get homeworks from school, isn't it? Now, if I ask you a question, who did your homework? The answer may not be always, I did it myself. You may say, my dad, mom, elder brother, likewise. Isn't it? Am I correct? Yes. Many children feel that doing homework is not a pleasant work at all. Children feel it is boring and heavy burden. Now, we are going to learn the lesson, Who Did Patrick's Homework? Here we have a main character named as Patrick. Who is the main character of the lesson? Yes, Patrick. Here, let's see something about him and his tedious job. What may be his tedious job? We can see in the lesson. Now, let's listen to the story. Who did Patrick's homework? What is the name of the chapter? Who did Patrick's homework? Written by Carol Moore. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. Patrick don't like to do his homework at all. He's just saying that doing homework is too boring or it's very boring. Instead, he played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. So instead of doing homework or learning, he would like to play hockey, basketball and Nintendo. What is Nintendo? A type of video game. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. His teachers always used to warn him, saying that he should do his homework. Otherwise, he can't learn a thing. What is meant by a thing? He can't learn anything. And it's true, sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. That means always it's true that he is just feeling within himself that he is uneducated or a person who does not have much knowledge. So he feels like that he is uneducated or ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. But what can he do? He don't like homework. He disliked homework. In the last paragraph, we have seen that Patrick hated homework. So, then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll. So, one day, that is the next day, he is seeing his cat. So, who may be this cat? Yes, the pet animal which Patrick was having at home. So, the little cat was just playing with a doll and he grabbed it away. He just grabbed that doll away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all when he just pulled it away with force. Grabbed means just snatching away or pull with force. When he pulled the doll with a force, it was not a doll at all, but a man the tiniest size. So what was it? It was a man of tiniest size. Tiniest means the smallest size. So was it a doll? No, it was not a doll. It was a man of small size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witch's. So the costume of that tiny man. Okay, that is the smallest man. The smallest man, the little man, was having a wool shirt and old-fashioned breeches. So what is meant by breeches? The trousers. And high tall hat much like a witch. Tall hat where the magicians used to wear. Such type of hat the little tiniest doll was just having. So here witch means a woman with magical power. He yelled. Yelled means make a loud noise or cried loudly. So here who yelled? The tiny man. You can see in the picture a man with a tall hat standing beside Patrick. So that is the tiny man there. Okay, that particular person just started to cry, saying that, save me, don't give me back to that cat. He just started to cry like anything to save him from that pet animal cat. I will grant you a wish, I promise you that. And also the tiny man is just promising that he will grant a wish for Patrick. I promise you that. Grant here, what is meant by grant? Fulfill or agree. So here the tiny man is just agreeing that he will do a promise or fulfill some of his needs. Whose needs? Patrick's need. So now let us see what was Patrick's need. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here Patrick is not able to believe. Some unbelievable truth is happening in his life. That is, he is getting a tiny man to do his homework. Here was the answer to all his problem. So what was his problem? Doing homework was his problem. So he is getting a solution for all his problems. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days. Semester, a part of the school year. What is semester? A part of the school year. So how many days more left for the semester? 35 days. So these 35 days also the tiny man should do the homework for Patrick. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. If the tiny man works very hard, Patrick could even get A's in all the subject. He is going to get A's in all subject. Only if the tiny man works very hard. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. Wrinkled. What is meant by wrinkled? The skin on your face form into lines or folds. So wrinkled you can see. Grannies, grandpas faces are just wrinkled. The skin is just folded. That's only called as wrinkled. Here the wrinkled is just compared to dishcloth thrown into the hamper. Dishcloth, the cloth we are using to wash dishes. That's called as cloth or paper. You can just imagine likewise. Thrown in the hamper. Hamper means a basket with cover or lid. His face just, whose face? The tiny little man's face just wrinkled like a dishcloth, just squeezed and just thrown into the basket. Likewise, it has been folded. He kicked his legs and doubled his fists and grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. So, the tiny man, he doesn't like the work what he got. So, what some actions he is just doing. Okay, he kicked his legs. He himself is just kicking his leg and doubled his fist. Fist means hands when tightly closed with the fingers bent into the palm. Just closing the arms likewise. That is fist. Okay. And grimaced, made an ugly expression. Scowled, looked at someone with an angry face. Okay. What is meant by scowled? Looked at something or someone with angry expression and pursed his lips, tightened his lips. Since the tiny man did not like the work what he got, he is just doing some facial expression. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. What is he saying? I am cursed to do this work. But what to do? It is my fate that I will do this job. And true to his word, the little elf began to do Patrick's homework. So here we are getting the character named Elf. So who's Elf here? A small tiny man. Earlier as I told you, small tiny man named as Elf. Elf means a small creature with pointed ears having magical power is called as elf. Okay, so here the little elf, now as he promised, he started to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. There was one problem he was facing. Who was facing? Elf was facing a problem. Elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Elf doesn't know what to do or how to learn. Always he needed support or help of somebody. So whenever he was in need or whenever he was supposed to be helped by someone, he just used to ask, help me, he would say with a loud sound. He would just cry or shout like anything, help me. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Whatever may be the situation, Patrick used to help the elf. As we have seen in the last paragraph, that is, elf was in need of help. I don't know this word. The elf squeaked. Okay, squeaked means spoken in high voice. So whenever elf doesn't know a word, he just used to shout in a high sound, I don't know this word, while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. He always used to shout like anything, get me a dictionary. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. The elf just used to say to Patrick, you just take out the dictionary, look into the word, spell out the word letter by letter. When it came to Max, Patrick was out of luck because elf doesn't know any mathematics. He was out of luck. What are timetables? He's just asking question. What are these timetables? He never heard about any timetables. The elf shrieked. Shrieked, said something with loud, high voice. We elves, elves means the plural form of elf, never needed that. That is, they never use mathematics in their life. That is, addition, subtraction, division and fraction. Elves never use any mathematics like addition, subtraction, division and fraction in their life at all. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elf is just asking Patrick to just sit nearby him and guide him. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. Elves doesn't know any human history. History is just a mystery to elf. Mystery means secret. History is just a secret. So, the little elf, already a shouter. So, when he was in need of any help, he just used to shout. The elf simply used to shout or get the help of Patrick. Already a shouter just got louder. Go to the library. I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. So, whenever elf is in need of help, elf just used to shout at Patrick, go to the library, get more and more books. I need your help. Just read letter by letter so that I can just listen. Likewise, elf made Patrick to read the lesson. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Nag means troublesome person. What is meant by nag? Troublesome person. So here, who is the troublesome person? Elf. All the time just asking Patrick to read out the words from the dictionary. Likewise, always nagging somebody. That person only is called as nag, troublesome. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag? So here Patrick started to work very hard and was it a drag? Drag mean boring or dull. Now is it boring for Patrick to do his homework? See, he was staying up at night. So he was staying up till night. Had never felt so weary at all. Weary mean tired. He was staying till late night and never felt tired. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. Puffed mean tired looking. Bleary, unable to see clearly. So his eyes was just puffed out. When we sleep late night and wake up early, how do our eyes look? It looks like puffed, little bit bulged. So likewise, Patrick's eyes was also puffed and he was not able to read things very clearly or see things very clearly. With that tiredness, the next day morning, Patrick used to go to school. Now, we have seen that Patrick was very tired. He started to read his lesson likewise. So days went on likewise and finally they are reaching to the last day of school. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. So many days, elf along with Patrick worked very hard. When it was the last day, elf was now free. As for homework, there was no time. So the last day, there was no homework. He had no work to do. There was no more work to be done. So, he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. So, what did elf do? Elf very quietly and slyly. Slyly means something done secretly in order to trick people. Very secretly slipped out of the back door. He is just escaping out of through the back door. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. So, the final day, they are getting the results. What was Patrick's result? He got A's. All the subject is getting A's. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. His teachers just smiled at him and just started to praise him or appreciate him. And his parents too appreciated him. They wondered what had happened to Patrick. Patrick was very lazy actually to do the homework. But all of a sudden, at the final result, he is getting all A's. Now, the parents just wondering, what happened to this Patrick? He was now the model kid. He was a role model for other kids. He cleaned his room. So, the other duties what he was doing, you see, he cleaned his room, did his chores. That means the routine work or task he just started to do. Was cheerful, very happy, never rude. He is not rude or harsh towards others. Like he had developed a whole new attitude, a new behavior or character he has developed among himself. He has become a role model for other kids. Can you guess the truth behind Patrick's success? What may be the reason behind his success? You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. What is Patrick still thinking? He made the tiny man, that is the elf. He made elf do all his homework. But I will share you a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. The elf did not do anything, but who had done the work? Patrick had done it himself. The message of the story is teaching a person to grow independently is the best service one can offer. Teaching a person to grow independently is the best service one can do. So there is a proverb which is related to this. Self-help is the best help. Patrick thought it was the elf who made him score high. But Patrick himself was responsible for the victory. The elf just motivated him to do everything. Let me conclude by the message that self-help is the best help. What's the message? Self-help is the best help. Now we can learn the new words and their meanings. Grabbed, grabbed, took something away suddenly, took something away suddenly. Grant, agree or fulfill, grant, agree or fulfill. Nintendo, a type of video game. Nintendo means a type of video game. Ignoramus, ignoramus, a person who does not have much knowledge or uneducated. Breeches, trousers. Breeches means trousers. Breeches is the old usage form. Witch, a woman with magical power. A woman with magic power. Yelled, made a loud noise or cried. Yelled, made a loud noise or cried. Semester, a part of the year. Semester, a part of the year. Wrinkled, the skin on your face form into lines or folds. The skin on your face form into lines or folds. Next one, hamper, a basket with a cover. A basket with a cover. Fist, hands when tightly closed with the fingers bent into the palm. Hands when tightly closed with the fingers bent into the palm. Such type of position. Grimaced, made ugly expression to show pain. Grimaced, made ugly expression to show pain. Scowled, looked at something with angry expression. Scowled, looked at something with angry expression. Pursed, tightly closed one's lips. Pursed, tightened one's lips. Elf, a small creature with pointed ears having magical power. Elf, a small creature with pointed ears having magical power. Glitch, problem. Glitch, problem. Squeaked, spoken in a high voice. Shrieked, said something in a loud high voice. Shrieked, said something in a loud high voice. Mystery, secret. Mystery means secret. Drag, boring or dull. Drag means boring or dull. Nag, troublesome person. Nag, troublesome person. Weary, tired. Weary, tired. Puffed, puffed means tired looking. Bleary, unable to see clearly. Bleary, unable to see clearly. Slyly, something done secretly in order to trick people. Slyly, something done secretly in order to trick people. Chores, routine work or task. Chores, routine work or task. Children, I hope you understood the lesson. Kindly read the chapter thoroughly and go through the exercises, work out in your textbook. Thank you. Keep listening.